Why is saving money so difficult? Most people think the problem is that they don't earn enough, but that's usually not the real reason. The real reason is that we often build habits that make saving almost impossible. The first mistake is trying to save too much too quickly. You get motivated, decide to save half your paycheck, and after just a few weeks you realize you still have rent, food, transportation, and other bills to pay. Eventually you give up. A better strategy is to start with an amount you know you can save consistently. Even $1 every day is enough to begin building the habit. The second mistake is saving whatever is left at the end of the month. Unfortunately, there usually isn't anything left. Instead, pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck arrives, move a portion into savings before you spend on anything else. The third mistake is impulse spending. A sale makes something look like a great deal, but if you weren't planning to buy it yesterday, you probably don't need it today. Try waiting 24 hours before making non-essential purchases. You'll be surprised how often the urge disappears. The fourth mistake is saving without a goal. Money sitting in a savings account without a purpose is much easier to spend. Instead, give every dollar a job. Maybe you're building an emergency fund. Maybe you're saving for a vacation. Maybe you're preparing for a house or retirement. When you know why you're saving, it's much easier to stay committed. The fifth mistake is believing one bad day ruins everything. Life happens. Unexpected expenses appear. You might miss a day. You might even miss a week. That doesn't mean you failed. Consistency doesn't mean perfection. It means returning to the habit as quickly as possible. Successful people don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. They automatically save. They track their progress. They make good decisions repeatedly. Those small decisions become habits. Those habits become financial stability. And financial stability eventually becomes wealth. So here's today's challenge. Don't try to save hundreds of dollars, just save one. Then do it again tomorrow. Your future isn't built by one giant decision. It's built by hundreds of small ones. Start today,